Alright, Sinister RC Dad coming at you from Destin, Florida. I was going to try to do a flight on the beach, but the beach is loaded with people right now, so I'm just going to take it straight up and just see what I can see at night here. 14 satellites. Alright. Everybody get back. Everybody get back. Everybody get back.
He did a flip. No, he didn't.
Yeah,
yes, he did. He just did a flip.
Oh, God.
Did you see the flip? Did you see the flip? Look at the flip. Look at it go.
Jack, get away from it, please.
Flip the bugs.
You know better. Tired of telling you.
Can you flip that one?
No.
Look at it go. Look at it go. Keep your eyes on the floor.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Punch it up.
Sarah, you ready? You ready? All right, here we go. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
It goes that high. It goes so much higher.
Hang on. I gotta see how high I am.
I mean, that's...
Wait, whoa.
It goes above.
Hang on, keep watching.
That's crazy.
Keep your eyes on it.
Hey, it's taller than you.
Keep your eyes on it. Up, I need it in the light.
Yeah.
And this is called the Cloud Rider. That thing is ridiculous.
I told you.
With the stars.
To the stars, bruh.
So about
Hey,
230.
Trey, look, Trey.
Quiet.
Somebody don't think that thing's like a UFO.
Hang on, Trey. Look at. Come look at my
Oh,
rope.
nice.
Okay, multiply that times 3, and that gives you.
So is this what you
Wow.
do on Facebook?
Wow.
Yeah, he posts videos on
You see that?
his conferences.
You should have saw him take
Look at the phone.
The
Look
view
at the
of
phone,
live
Tara.
video of the,
Oh,
lake,
wow.
the ocean.
That is Destin,
The whole
Florida.
city.
So is that where you want to move, Trey?
You're
allowed
looking
to
at the city. Can I fly now?
So how
Yeah,
high
look.
is it up right now?
Trey, can I fly now?
240 meters.
240?
Yeah.
Oh,
no.
that is high. Can I fly now? It's about to be
Hold on,
star.
hold on.
No, stars are in space, dude.
Can I fly your drone? They're just huge.
If that
Why?
fell, it would
Will you fly this?
go through the ground.
And
Now watch it.
put
See it?
both on the top.
See, looking at it? Watch this.
Yeah, my neck. It's falling. No, make it. Press the home button.
No.
Why is it moving? Yeah, he'll hit.
Will it come down by itself?
It will, but I don't want to do that here.
It's gonna come over me. It's gonna come over me.
I'm coming down now.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
It's right over me.
Make
Why
your
is it
neck
going over
snap.
me the whole time?
Will it get stuck in a tree somewhere?
You could. I'm coming down though.
I hear it.
Slowly, I'm coming down.
Why are you going down so slow?
I'm
Good, so
just-
it doesn't get stuck.
Hold on. I'm looking at this.
Here, Tara. Look at the look at the cars. That's out on
Oh wow.
the other streets out there.
Is.
Uh huh. Let's come down more.
That is pretty cool.
Uh huh.
I know. I want to get. I'm probably gonna
Mine
start
had a
getting-
camera, but
Trays, can I
Your
fly
face
yours?
thing.
can you?
Yeah.
You don't see it?
Well, I have to get it. First, I got to start
Here.
with a different one. He knows all about
Trey,
it.
Point
do
it
you see
out.
the lights in the eye?
Point it out to him.
See the red and green in the
But
sky?
this is a good one
That's his
to
drone.
learn how to practice
I
on
just
yourself.
pointed
To
out
learn how
to
to
him.
ride.
Oh, is it?
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm so good at flying drones. I hear it.
Do drones
I
get
hear
pretty
it. I'm better
expensive?
than you.
They can't. Yeah, they do.
How much was this one, Jim?
$1,000.
I paid 167 for this one 2 days after Christmas.
Oh, how much is it originally though?
It's about 200 bucks.
Oh, that's not
He
bad.
said there's a really nice one I can get for $250, but then the goggles are like another $100.
Goggles for what?
The goggles for it, so you
don't
can like
need to get the goggles.
you would see what it shows in
Connor,
by wearing these
our ice
goggles.
cream.
You can control it, but sitting in your house,
Okay, here we go.
and you can fly outside.
You watch it?
Pretty cool.
Okay, here we go.
Will it run out of battery?
Yeah.
But then, when it'll start beeping, and then it'll come straight back to where.
So how long do you have? Oh, it'll come back.
About,
To you?
well,
Oh wow. So it won't just go land somewhere.
no. It's got GPS. If I let off, watch.
No hands.
It'll come right back to its remote.
It'll come back to where it took off to.
Maybe that's this GPS thing where it just comes. It
Mhm.
remembers where it took off from.
Which is his hand. Wait, no, it's not.
It's pretty amazing grass.
All right, Trey, get yours out there.
Yeah, right.
No, dude.
Go get Uncle Mark.
I don't even
Go
know
get your
how
dad. Go get your dad so you can see this.
I love drums. I love drums. I'm better at drums. Oh, he's bringing it all the way up. No, he isn't.
I'm not bringing mine up that high. I don't care. I don't care what you say.
How high will
Look,
yours go?
I'm
I
just,
have no idea.
I'm just chilling.
Done it.
Well, he doesn't want to break it either.
I can test that. If I want this drone is fast, Jack. Did you see the flip?
There's mine, full speed. Oh, okay.
That's not the full speed, Jack. How it just went. Make it go all the way up. No, he's scared. He's never done it. He doesn't want to. Try.
Mhm.
Dude, look at his drone. Look at how high. It's way up there in the sky. I saw you in the sky. Here's the drone. That's it. There's the drone.
If that's my dad, Trey, we should move our truck.
No, that's,
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
No.
I don't think it's there.
If you see my dad, Trey, let's move our truck.
Alright, Jack, can I fly?
alright, here we go.
I don't think so.
He has a Ford.
Hey, Jim.
Hmm.
Jack's okay driving this thing?
Yeah, it's got altitude hold.
Don't
Jack.
crash it,
Yeah,
Jack.
please. That's all I got.
Yeah, if you break that, you have to leave your little one behind. Stop. Yes.
Hey, Jim, how do you control the speed on it? You just tap it, you gotta hold it, or what?
No, you hit it, it'll beep twice.
Okay.
Don't go in between the trees, Jack. Just fly it right out here
It's all
in the
trying
open.
to. Oh gosh, I don't know how to do this thing. I'm kind of scared messing with this.
Just go slow.
Oh, okay, so that's up.
You can actually stay right where you're at and pick it up. Just stay right where you're at. There you go. Just don't mess with the right stick.
Just okay, yeah. I'm not even gonna touch the right stick. Dude, that's cool. Dude, that's amazing.
Now watch me take off.
Now, okay, so if I turn this, I'm just changing view, right? Okay.
Yeah, your orientation.
I'm not gonna mess up anything, right?
Nope, that's just your orientation.
Cool.
If you go slow on it, you can do a pan. You go slow, see how it's slowly panning around.
Ah,
You can see everything.
nice. Dude, that is cool, man. I don't like the app that comes with mine. Maybe I just haven't used it enough, but I'm not too impressed with it.
The MJX app is pretty good.
Yeah. That's what this is?
Trey, after this, can I
MJX
try to
plugs.
fly your drone?
Do you know how to fly it?
Yeah.
There's another drone flying around. That's
Oh,
a
yeah.
drone.
It's a drone, Jack.
That's a drone.
That looks like a bug.
Flying that thing. That's a
It's
bug.
a drone.
That's a bug.
What? Hey, what are you doing, man?
All right.
All right, let me. Sorry.
Huh?
Oh,
Yep,
okay.
I got you. Now
All
watch
right,
this.
bring it-
Watch this.
Fly it, Trey.
Return to home.
Wait, Mommy.
Now, it
can I
comes to
fly
you
really
or where it
quick?
took off?
Where it took off. I'm just gonna change the orientation so when it comes down, it sees us.
Come on, watch out, Trey.
Hey, dude.
Alright, Jack, let me catch it.
Well, that felt good.
Catch it.
That's,
Catch it. Catch it.
Just say return home. Yep. See? Coming down all its own. I'm not even doing that.
Nice. Is the green the front and the red back, or?
No, the red is the
Are
front.
you sure
Okay.
you want Hunter flying this thing?
I let you fly, didn't I?
Yeah, but I don't know how. Yeah, I do.
What did you fly, Connor?
I fly drones all the time at my
You better be
dad's
very
house.
careful.
Dude, I'm showing you how to take off. I do. I do. I'm gonna catch it, okay?
That's awesome.
Mm-hmm. Sure is.